loyalty. We, the graduates of Salapin Integrated School, Class 2024-2025, hereby implore the heavenly guidance of the divine providence to guide us in the path of the righteousness, to keep us ever physically sound and morally straight, so that we will do our share in keeping up with the finest ideals and the vision of our race, and to keep us ever conscious of our duties towards our school, community, our fellow men, and our country. We hereby solemnly pledge and believe the portals of our alma mater to do our best and to consecrate and dedicate our efforts to bring honor to our school,